Defrosting car windows, can it harm your car?
Hello and welcome to our video on defrosting car windows. Today, we're going to delve into an important question. Can defrosting car windows without heat damage my car's windows or paint job? It's a common situation we face during those frosty winter mornings, so let's take a closer look.
What is defrosting and why is it necessary?
Defrosting your car windows involves removing ice or frost that has formed on them due to cold weather. This is a crucial step before you start your journey in freezing temperatures, as clear visibility is key to safe driving. But not everyone has access to immediate heat or may prefer not to use it, so let's examine alternative defrosting methods and their potential effects on your car.
What are the common methods of defrosting without heat?
Several methods can help you defrost your car windows without using heat. The most common ones are: 1. Using a plastic ice scraper. 2. Spraying a de-icing solution. 3. Covering the windows before frost sets in. It's essential to remember that these methods should be performed with care to avoid any potential damage.
Can these methods damage my car's windows or paint?
Let's break this down by the methods. 1. Using a plastic ice scraper. As long as you're careful and use a plastic ice scraper designed for this purpose, it generally should not damage your car windows. Never use metal objects, as they can scratch the glass and damage the paintwork. 2. Spraying a de-icing solution. These solutions are typically made to be safe for car surfaces, but it's always a good idea to test on a small area first. Ensure it doesn't contain harmful chemicals that could potentially degrade the paint or window seals. 3. Covering the windows. This method is typically safe and won't cause any damage to your car's windows or paint job, as long as the cover is properly secured and doesn't flap against the paint in windy conditions.
What precautions should I take when defrosting?
To ensure that defrosting doesn't cause any damage, follow these tips. Use proper tools. Use a plastic ice scraper or a de-icing solution specifically made for car windows. Be gentle. Don't apply too much force while scraping, as it can lead to scratches. Test de-icing solutions. Always test any de-icing solutions on a small, inconspicuous area of your car before applying it all over. There you have it. Defrosting car windows without heat can be safe and damage-free as long as you take the right precautions and use the proper tools. Thanks for joining us in this discussion. Stay safe, keep your windows clear, and have a smooth drive in any weather.